trip muna tayo. Sarap. Happy. Masarap yung pagkain. Kapili tayo ng masarap ba?
Ted, what happened today? Hit you that hard. Would fall a long time ago if not for you. I can't believe you said that.
What's going on here? What happened? Where are you two yelling? Logan, how dare you argue with Susan? You've got some nerve.
Pick up pag maka...
Susan right now, or I'll throw you out of this house.
Even if you apologize to the other 11th son-in-law has no say in this family.
Dad, forget it.
Masarap.
Logan's just throwing a little tantrum. He's only human too. I can deal with a little attitude sometimes.
He dares throw a tantrum at you. He's getting cold. Susan, just divorce him.
Masarap.
I know it was your grandpa's last wish, but it's been 3 years.
Ito ba parang gulay?
You should be resting in peace by now, right?
Well, yeah, exactly. I agree. You should divorce too.
Dami-dami sanay.
Logan, I'm giving you one last chance. If you apologize to me now, I'll let this go. You can continue living with us. And we'll pretend this never happened.
You want me to apologize again?
Hindi naman dito mo.
Won't you? You've got some nerve. My daughter's giving you an out, and you refuse it.
You don't know your place.
That's because Susan's too kind.
I'm running out of patience. This is your last
naman
warning.
yung mga bata.
And if I don't apologize,
You really have to ask. Are you serious?
Sarap.
I
Ano
want
pala
you
to?
to save yourself.
Dad,
Then we'll get a
dad,
divorce.
loya.
You'll leave my
Hindi
family
pala
for
ano
good.
gulay. Sarap siya. Sarap siya. Sarap yung order na ngayon.
Then let's get divorced.
Si Dwight hindi mahilig sa mushroom. Luwa niya. Ito mushroom man yan. Yum. Sarap yung yung mushroom na native. Ano yung gusto ko Hindi yung mga high-tech yun na mushroom. Yan ang pagkain namin dati. Mushroom sa Mangunguha lang kami. Utangan dahil sa miswa. So, ng almusal o pag-tutoriya. Dapat. Kain tayo. Oh. Sarap siya. Sarap siya. Sarap siya daw. Tikman mo.
Ano yung mushroom pa rin pala yung ano yun, healthy pa rin.